fabulous 70-acre ranch land in a park-like setting. At the top of a hill you look down at an 11/2 air conditioner lake. There's a barn with 3 stalls, tack room 3 air conditioner. The log-sided home is special with front porch and metal roof. The walls and ceiling are WH pine in the living room, which is open to the kit. The 2 BDRMs are shade-rocked and all have laminate FL. The second bath has a whirlpool tub. 1 carport is con, and then there are 3 new carports. Several acres have 5 years pine plantation and 2 ponds.